how you doing today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for coming by and checking out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to be giving you my review of the Nakano Santoku wooden series knife, which I have right here. Now, full disclosure, they sent me this free of charge so I could do an honest review and share it with my viewers, okay? Now, I love cooking, as you know. My whole channel here on YouTube surrounds cooking, outdoor barbecuing, and in my opinion, whether you're an amateur guy like me, whether you're a professional chef, or just a regular old mom or dad cooking for yourself and your family, you need to have a good knife, at least a couple. And I know we all probably have a drawer full of cheap, inexpensive, dull knives, but they just make cooking so much more difficult. What I really like about this knife is this is a Santoku, and I hope I'm pronouncing that. And in Japanese, that means three virtues. And so roughly translated, it means this is good for chopping, for dicing, and for slicing. So it's a great all-purpose knife. And you know what? If you had to just pick one good knife, get a decent all-purpose knife that can do just about anything you want accomplished in the kitchen. So stick around, guys. I'm going to show you what came in the box. I'm going to do a little experimenting here, chopping and slicing some stuff, and then at the end, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, here is how it arrived. And like I mentioned already, they sent me this free of charge, but like I always tell everyone that tells me they want to send me something for a review, I'm going to give you my honest review. That means even though I got it for free, if I don't like it, I'm going to tell you. So it comes in a nice little gift box, so if you wanted to order it as a gift for someone, you certainly could. It's got a little thing here in Japanese in the front, and it's just basically showing you Smo'King, Japan is where it is made, and I kind of did a little background on the company. This company was founded in 1918, and I guess they have a long history of making Japanese katana, which are basically those Japanese swords, and then obviously after the fall of the samurai, they kind of transitioned to making chef and cooking knives. But they're a very well reputable brand, and in my opinion, the two best knife makers in the world would be either Germany or Japan. I think they have a very good quality. And this is just giving you some do's and don'ts, like don't put it in a dishwasher. After you clean it, make sure you dry it off and store it in a dry environment, and avoid marble and glass cutting boards. So, here we are. Let me just pull this out and show you this wonderful knife. The first thing I can tell you, just by taking it out of the package, is it's not that heavy. I mean, it's a good feel. It's got a very sharp blade, as you can see, and it's just like that perfect feel where you can cut and dice and chop and have some good control. It's got a very nice wooden handle. This is actually a 7-inch blade, so it's a perfect, all-purpose knife. It's made of high carbon stainless steel, the blade. And yeah, like I said, I'm really impressed with how it feels. The quality looks good. The sharpness looks good. I have been using it now for a couple of weeks, and you're going to see a lot more of this knife in my future videos. But let's get out some things and try to do a little slicing and dicing and see how well it performs. First we're going to slice up a red onion here. And tell me, Monica, how you like that knife here.
Oh, I like it. It's very nice.
Seems like it's slicing pretty effortlessly.
It is. Very nice. I like the feel of the handle, too. The ergonomic grip.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
Like butter. Slices. I'm sorry if my hand gets in the way.
Yeah, be careful. It's
I don't
really
want
sharp, so don't.
It is.
Don't let your fingers get in the way.
Nah, I'm pretty good with.
But that's one of these utensils that every good chef, whether professional or even just a amateur or just a home cook for your family.
Look at that.
You need a good knife.
It is very nice. I do like it. So just take a couple of these slices and we just give it a little chip chop.
Yeah, looking good. All right, so let's see. Sometimes it's hard to cut green pepper just because, you know, they're kind of slippery and hard. But let's just see how this handles here. Oh yeah, it's just going through this thing like butter. All right, let's just see here. Yeah, I can see already the quality of this knife is very, very good. And having that lightweight feel, it definitely gives you a little bit more control than a bigger, heavier knife. So I think this is a perfect all-purpose knife for sure. All right, well, no complaints here. It made good work of this green pepper here. Hey guys, let's try an apple here. Oh yeah, I mean, come on. No problem whatsoever. Very smooth, very controlled cut, very clean. Yeah. You know what, guys? I'll be back in a second. I'll give you my final thoughts. All right, guys, so in conclusion, I am very impressed with the Nakano Santoku Wooden Series knives. Now, I'll leave a link below. Go check out their website. They have a lot of cool knives. This is kind of on the low end of the spectrum, but it's a great introduction if you're looking for a better knife than that kind of cheap stuff you know, you buy at the grocery store. This one actually retails for $75, but you know what? They've provided me with a discount code and a discount link. I'll leave the link below. Click on that, and anything that you order, you're going to get an automatic discount when you check out from their website. And if you would rather just type in the code Smo'King Barbecue at checkout to also receive your discount. But all in all, I have no problem recommending this knife. Like I mentioned, everyone needs a good purpose, you know, knife that can be a helpful addition in any kitchen. And believe me, once you experience a higher quality knife, it's really hard to go back to that inexpensive junk. You know, and it's really, you know, you might say, wow, 75 bucks is a lot of money for a knife, but you know what? If it can last, you know, decades of time, and sure, ultimately you're going to have to sharpen the blade once in a while, as with any knife, but you know, the quality of how this is made, handmade in Japan, the feel of the knife, the wooden hand, non-slip handle, I mean, it's a perfect all-around knife if you ask me. As always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by. If you liked the video, hit the like button. The logo here on my shirt, it's the logo on the bottom of the screen. If you click on that, it'll allow you to subscribe to my channel. Please do that. It helps my channel grow. And then I'll leave a link above and below to my website, which is called ericsmokingbbq.com. That's where I post all my video tutorials, my videos with photos, recipe directions, the whole bit. And I appreciate your continued support. We'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.